Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair has remained as is in the last session. The ADX remains in positive territory. Bitcoin has gained 4.2% in the last session. The ROC moved sharply into the positive zone. The price of gold has stood still in the last session. Stochastic remains in the positive area. The price of crude oil has traded sideways in the last session. The RSI remains positive.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil rallied to the highest in nearly 2 years in New York after OPEC Plus shocked markets with a decision to keep supply limited as the global economy starts to recover from a pandemic-driven slump. London Stock Exchange shares tumbled, with analysts saying markets were spooked by the costs of integrating data and analytics company Refinitiv, which was acquired in January for $27 billion. European central bank officials will set policy this week against a backdrop of investors betting on a global upturn, even as the Eurozone remains mired in pandemic lockdowns and painfully slow vaccinations.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The U.S. 3-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT, Germany's industrial production at 700 GMT, Japan's gross domestic product at 2350 GMT. Japan's leading economic index will be released at 500 GMT, Japan's overall household spending at 2330 GMT, Japan's gross domestic product annualized at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.